Hi everyone, Candace from So Creative in Wenatchee, Washington here, and we have another unboxing video for you today. It's going to be a little different because right now I'm the only one in the store, so I'm doing this myself so we can get this up and out so you guys know that we have it. The rest of my day I am teaching beginning kids camps, so definitely needed to get this done early in the morning. Not quite sure when I'm going to post it yet, but when you see it you'll know it's posted. So we got a box from E.E. Shank, one of my favorite distributing companies. They do Maywood Studio, they do P&B, they do Kimberbell, they do a whole bunch of fun stuff. And what we have today is Christmas. And we're saying Christmas on bolts, not fat quarters. So I know I love fat quarters and Christmas for those little projects, but if you want to do a big one, you're gonna need the yardage. So this is actually from P&B Textiles, and it is their postcard line. I think it's called Holiday Postcard. So the first thing, and I'm gonna show this down here, we'll do this, is this lovely panel that we have going on here. I know it's a little upside down for you guys, but there is some loveliness going on. If you're really into kind of the more retro 50s looking, these are really nice panels. I think they're like 9 by 12 or something. So these are going to be really fun to work with, especially if you have throw pillows or wall hangings or just want that little kind of vintage touch to your Christmas. So to go with that, we also have, boom, these has some music staffs on it and some words that have to do with holidays and music, and I can't read all of them. Some might be in French, which I would have to work on that. My high school French is a little rusty. I apologize, Mr. Magnus, for that. Okay, next in the line we have plaid. Who loves plaid? I'm hit and miss with plaid. I like it when it's perfect, but you know, some people love it, and for Christmas you can't go wrong with plaid. So this is also part of that collection. This is the same plaid that's on the borders of the panel, the patches on the panel. So that's great coordinating. And then one of my favorites, polka dots. So these polka dots also match part of the borders on the panel patches. So we got everything you needed to kind of coordinate with that and to help. So these have come in. We also got one more thing in the box. They are fat quarters, but this one is called Horsin' Around. It's by Tex, and this is actually one that's been pretty popular here. This particular designer also has a unicorn line, and they're kind of interchangeable with their colors. So I even took some of these and I'm incorporating them into another line that she has that I grabbed some fabric of on vacation and making some stuff for one of my nieces for Christmas. So they're bright, they're beautiful, they're fun. Please come in and see us, 1139 North Princeton Avenue. Our front door is right across from Lewis and Clark Elementary School, and you can give us a call at 663-5516 if you have questions. And remember, sew creatively.